And oh my god, guys, look what's happening here. The free gold, cash, and energy points are appearing now. Yo guys, free gold, cash, and energy points in Bidmaster game. This is not any trick because these resources have already been bought by our sponsors and they decided to offer a method so we can get these resources for free. So I'm starting by turning my power saving mode off. I'm just gonna enable and disable it again just to be sure. Then I want to show you guys how's my game before trying this method. So I'm gonna open it now, and as you can see, this is the situation. Firstly, I'm gonna open my browser and go to ontwig.com. Make sure it's the .com one, not anything else, guys. Here I'm searching for the Bidmaster game to find it easier instead of scrolling through the apps. I'm entering my user ID here. You can find it by tapping on your profile picture in game. I'm selecting Android and I go with the biggest amount of resources, which is 900k and 9 million. Of course, we will also have some energy points. As I've already said, guys, these resources are given by some sponsors and they ask you to do a quick additional step in order to receive them. But don't worry because this is very easy to do and you also have a small tutorial there in order to help you. Alright guys, now let's go back to our game and check if this worked. And oh my god, guys, look what's happening here. The free gold, cash, and energy points are appearing now in my Bidmaster game. So I'm gonna put my fingers above so you can see this is for real. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you also enjoyed this, and don't forget to smash that like button and even subscribe if you wish. Have a nice day.